Functions a, b, and c are linear functions. Some values of function a are shown in the table. The graph of function b has a y-intercept of 0, 3 and an x-intercept of -5, 0. And function c is defined by the equation y equals 3x plus 1. Order the linear functions based on rate of change from least to greatest. In order to order the linear functions based on rate of change, we have to find the rate of change of each linear function. Rate of change is another word for slope, so we'll find the slope of each function and then compare them from least to greatest. For function a, we have a table of values, so we can find the slope by looking at the change in y over the change in x. If we go from 3 to 7, that is a change of +4, and if we go from 3 to 5, that is a change of +2. So our slope would be that change in y over the change in x, which is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. Even if we used from 7 to 9, which is +2, and from 5 to 6, which is +1, we'd still get a change of y over a change of x of 2 over 1, which is still equal to 2. So the slope or rate of change of the function a is going to equal 2. For function b, we're given two ordered pairs on the graph. We're given 0, 3 and -5, 0. So we're going to use the slope formula to find the slope. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, we'll use x1 and y1 as 0, 3 and x2 and y2 of -5, 0. So that gives us 0 minus 3 over -5 minus 0, which is 0 minus 3 is -3, over -5 minus 0 is -5, which is 3/5. So the slope of function b is going to be 3/5. Now the slope of function c is defined by the equation y equals 3x plus 1. This equation is written in slope-intercept form. It's written in y equals mx plus b form because the y variable is isolated. And when your equation or your function is written in this form, it's very easy to see the slope by looking at the coefficient of x. Our coefficient of x is 3, so that's our slope. M equals 3 for function c. So now we're comparing these functions. So we have 2, 3/5, and 3. So if we want to list these functions based on the rate of change from least to greatest, the function with the smallest or least rate of change would be function b. Then we have function a at 2, and then function c at 3. So our order would be functions b, a, c, which means our answer is choice C.